screw my face up. I have a face mask on right now. It just looks awful. Second of all, I don't really know where to start with this because I'm taking everything out that is not needed for the next semester, like tank tops and stuff that are in here that I won't use whenever it's snowing. But I also have a lot in here that I haven't worn yet, so I want to keep it to like kind of force myself into it. But I don't know, there's a lot in here. There's shirts, cardigans, jackets, pants, dresses. So I don't know, I guess I'll start with the dresses because a lot of them are short and I haven't worn them at all, but I definitely won't wear them in January. So I know for sure these 3 need to go because they're all really short and have no sleeves, so I'm not going to keep them. So I'm not just throwing them in the floor either. I have a little basket down here. The hangers are going into the floor for now, but I'll have stuff to hang on them, so it doesn't matter. I'm really conflicted about these 2 because they both like have no sleeves or barely sleeves at all, but they are both still like, this one goes completely down to the floor on me, and this one doesn't. Well, I just have it wrapped over because it's actually too long to hang in the closet. I don't know the occasion that I would wear these 2, so I'll go ahead and put them both going home with me. These 2 dresses also have no sleeves on them, but they're like kind of just regular, I don't know, like party or cocktail dress maybe is what you'd call them. So they're still kind of short, but they're pretty standard. So like if I need to wear a nice dress somewhere, I think I'm going to keep these like just in case that happens. And then I brought this sweater dress home either after fall break or Thanksgiving break. I got it on Romway a long time ago. It has roses on the sleeves, but it's like a little sweater dress. So I am going to keep it here. It's a little thin, so I'll have to wear like some leggings under it or a shirt or something, but it's really cute, and since I haven't worn it yet, I want to try to wear it so that way it hasn't just stayed in my closet for no reason. For pants, this is the only pair of pants I keep in the closet. They were like my work pants whenever I was at Starbucks, but now I never use them. But these are the only pair of like nice pants I have, so I'm gonna keep them in here just in case I need nice pants, or I don't know, we'll see. Moving on to outerwear, I have a lot. These are 2 different flannels. They're just hanging on the same hanger because I didn't have enough room for both of them, but since it is going to be way cold and these aren't shirts that I would wear as shirts, it'd just be something I'd throw over another shirt, I think I'm going to go ahead and take these home too because they're kind of thin and they also just don't fit me well anymore. Like I don't know how to describe it. They never really fit me well to begin with. I haven't been able to find a single flannel that worked for me, so yeah, these can just go back home. Then I have these 2 jackets that are still kind of thin, but I haven't worn them this year at all, and I think they're really cute, so I'm going to keep them just as options for if there is a day where it starts getting warmer in the spring, so these can stay. I have this huge black jacket. I would wear it for like snow and stuff. It has a good hood on it and everything, but I might take this one home because I have my new Carhartt one I got on Black Friday. Or maybe I'll keep it here just in case that one's dirty or I want to change it up. So for now it's going to stay in there, but I may end up taking it home with me. These are all like the cardigans I have. Well, not all of them. There's another one that's about the same shape as this gray striped one that's like a like a tan beigey color. I've worn it in another video. I think the Jeffree Star conspiracy collection one, but I know I'm definitely keeping it because I practically live in that thing. That's why it's not hanging up right now. It needs to be washed. This one, I don't wear it as much. I just don't have a lot of stuff that goes with this sweater, and also it doesn't button up or anything in the front, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and say it can go home as well. And then I have this long cardigan that my fiance's mom actually gave me, I think a year or two ago, but it's really comfy and it goes all the way down to the floor. Like it's very long and so comfy, and I haven't actually worn any this year, so I'm gonna keep this one. And then this last one, it's not even a cardigan, it's more of like a shawl, I think they're called. I haven't worn it this year. My mom got it for Christmas, I think last year, and I wore it some then, but hasn't been worn yet now, so I'll keep this in case I'm ever in a shawl kind of mood. Then I have a few like pullovers and sweatshirts in here. It's not all my sweatshirts because there's some that I just always wear too, like this one, and then there's 2 or 3 that are in my dresser that are not going to go home with me just because I know I wear them all the time. But I have this one, it's gray and blue, and it's UK because I live in Kentucky. Who doesn't have something UK in their wardrobe if you live in Kentucky? So I'm going to keep this because I wear it all the time. And then I have this Cumberland College pullover. It was actually my stepdad's from like back whenever he was in college, because now it's called University of the Cumberlands, and that's where I went before I transferred out. And even though I hate that school, this is really comfy. So I'm going to keep this. And then there's this Hello Kitty sweatshirt. I used to wear it all the time in like middle school and high school, but I haven't worn it at all this year, and it's kind of small. I think if I turned it into a crop top somehow, well, that wouldn't really work. I'd cut off Hello Kitty. But it's just like, it doesn't fit right anymore, and it's not that warm anyways, so I'm gonna let this go home. And then there's this jacket. I guess I forgot about it earlier when I was talking about the other jackets I have. It's just a standard like jean jacket. It's kind of warm because it has this like fabric on the sleeves, and I wear it occasionally. And yeah, I think just for the sake of having more than 1 or 2 coats with me still here, I'll keep it, but I don't know actually how much I'll wear it. Then I have 3 sweaters that stay in my closet just because they get super wrinkly if they're not hanging up, and even whenever they're hanging up they stay wrinkly. See, like I'm trying to fix this one right now because it's trying to fall off, but it's this purple sweater, and it has little holes down the sides of the arms. It's really cute. I don't wear it that much, but it's super comfy, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. Kind of force myself to wear it at least once this semester. I have this, it looks weird on the hanger because it's all messed up. This is actually the front of it. It's like an orangey red ribbed, I guess is what you call it, like the little fabric. I'll show it to the camera. I guess that's what, I think it's ribbed, I don't know. And then it has this little cutout in the back. It's also very comfy, but this is more of a fall sweater to me than like a wintry spring one. So I'm gonna take it home actually, because I have a lot of other sweaters. They're in the dresser too. And then this last one, I don't know how to make it hang properly. It just won't stay. It's not a full sweater. It's pink lace, and then obviously it's like kind of see-through. I haven't worn this all year just because I don't know what to wear underneath it. I need to get like a black tank top or something. But like I said, it's so cute and I really want to wear it, so I'll keep it even though it's kind of cold. And then these are the more, I guess, nicer shirts in my closet. This one's super wrinkly. It needs to be dried because apparently it fell down in my closet and it's just been kind of sitting wrinkly on the ground until now. but it's blue and it has lace on the top, so it is going to be cold, but I really like this shirt. My fiance's grandmother got this for me, I think for Christmas or my birthday. I don't remember, but it's really cute and I haven't worn it either, so I'm going to try to keep it. And then there's this black floral one, got a little bit of a lacy. It's not completely long sleeve, it's more like 3/4 sleeve. It has a little keyhole in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's my finger sticking out through it. It's not terribly cold in this, so I'm gonna keep it. And then this one is a short sleeve shirt. It has a navy and floral design, which I think by this point everyone knows that I absolutely love, because there's this, my bedding, my pillowcase, and then there was that dress earlier that is navy and floral. It is kind of short sleeved, but it is my favorite shirt that I own, so I'm going to keep it just because of that. And then there's this, it's a striped shirt and it has a little knot on the bottom. It's really, I don't even know what this is. It's not really 3/4 sleeve, but it's not short sleeve either, because it's just kind of big and hangs on me. But I think this is really cute, and it's also one of my favorite shirts that I have, so I'm going to keep it. And then I have this other shirt. It is long sleeve, it has some lace on it, it's got a little crisscross in the front, but the fabric is really thin, and I wore this for like 4 days straight in a show, so I think I've worn this as much as I want to, because it was like a full week straight where I had to wear this shirt because of all the tech rehearsals and then in the show, so I don't really want to look at this shirt ever again, so it can just go home. And then the last one, it's kind of the same as the gray striped one where it has a little tie front, but I don't know what to wear this with. I also got this for when I was working at a Starbucks, just to have something like nice-ish to wear, but now all I wear are leggings and jeans, and I don't think I have anything that matches this, so it's just gonna go home. Moving on to crop tops, I think these are the only two I have in the closet. There's this alien one. I've worn it in a video or two before. It has long sleeves, so it's still kind of nice, but it is pretty thin, so it's gonna go home. And then I also have this yellow one that is obviously very small and definitely not warm, but it's so pretty. Like, this color yellow makes me very happy, and I used to absolutely hate yellow, and I haven't got to wear this in anything other than I also use this for the play, so I kind of want to layer it with something so that I'd still be warm but get to wear this, so it's gonna stay, I think. I also have this tank top in here that I haven't worn in years, but I can't bring myself to get rid of it because I've had it forever. I'm just not, I am and I'm not a pink person, but I mean, obviously a tank top in January is not going to go over well, and this fabric is like really clingy. I don't like that about it, so it's gonna go home. And then last, as far as like what's hanging up goes, I have these 3 like long sleeve shirts. This one I haven't worn at all, so I know I'm gonna keep it, but it just has like a little yin yang on the front and then good karma on the back, so it's staying. And then this is one of my favorite like long sleeve shirts that I have. It says, "Why be racist, sexist, homophobic, transphobic when you could just be quiet?" I think that's a valuable lesson that is on this shirt, so it's gonna stay right here as well. And then this other one it just says I'm freaking cold, and I just think it's cute, so it's gonna stay. And then like hanging up from here over is just scarves. I have a lot of scarves. I don't want to count them, but I haven't really got to wear any of them yet. I think I've only worn 2 of them, so all of the scarves are staying. Up top, you can't quite see it in frame, and I don't really want to move the camera right now, but all that's up here is clothes that I've taken out of the dresser, like short sleeve shirts that I'm not going to wear any, and I just threw it up here because I wasn't ready to pack it yet, but that's what I'm doing now, so I'm going to just take all of this out. This shirt, I don't even know where it came from. I don't think it was supposed to be up there with the other clothes, but it's a Nirvana shirt that I like cut the sleeves off of in the bottom. I'm really sad about this. I brought it up here apparently. I didn't know it was here and I never wore it, so. But I guess it's gonna go home for now. I also have these like overall shorts things up here. They're shorts, but they're overalls, you know what I'm talking about. I had 2 pairs of them and they were up there because I just didn't have room to hang them whenever I first moved in, but now it's obviously too cold for these, so home they go. I brought these sheets to put on my bed the last time that I like changed over the fitted sheet, but then I remember that this is for my twin XL mattress and not the full XL, so it was just kind of worthless to bring up here. And yeah, apparently I had a shirt that was my Papal's, so that's also going. And then I have some work shirts from Starbucks, like whenever I worked in the Barnes & Noble one that has the bookstore name on it, that I probably won't take them home. I'm going to take them out of my closet and see if one of my friends that still works there wants them, just so they can have more shirts and less laundry. Apparently there's another random shirt up here from when I worked at Starbucks, like a corporate one. It's just blue and kind of that same jean material that I don't have anything that like matches with it, so it's going home. And then apparently I have both of my swimsuits up here. One's just a one piece with floral on it and the other one's a red high-waisted bikini. Obviously I'm not going to be swimming in the middle of winter. Our aquatic center is indoors, but I don't think I want to make the trip out to get all the way to the aquatic center, so more work shirts. Another one of my Papal shirts. Another one of my Papal shirts. I also have like 2 Starbucks hats. I didn't know I had 2 of them. I'm going to keep these because maybe I'll wear them ironically sometime, but it's just what I would have to wear at work when I was there. So yeah, I'll keep these and maybe wear them. I also had this shirt up there that I don't know where it came from, but that's pretty much it for clothes. Everything else up here is just like storage, or doesn't really have anywhere else to go in my room. So yeah.